Hi guys, in this video we are going to be solving another interesting math problem that came in the Turkish scholarship examination. Now here is a graph that was given to the students, and the question was asking them to find g prime of 5 provided g of x is equal to f of x divided by x. So diving straight away to the solution. Now we want to find g prime of 5. We know that g of x is equal to f of x divided by x, so we first of all need to find g prime of x. So we use the quotient rule. So g prime of x is going to be x times f prime of x minus f of x divided by x squared, according to the definition of the quotient rule. From there we need g prime of 5, which is 5 times f prime of 5 minus f of 5 divided by 5 squared. But since 5 squared is 25, we write 5 squared as 25. Now we need to look for f prime of 5, so we use the so-called mean value theorem. It says that if a function f is continuous on an interval ab, then there exists a certain constant c such that f prime of c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Why am I using this mean value theory? Because to look for f prime of 5, I know 5 is in the interval 2 to 6 and the function is clearly continuous in this interval. So if my b is 6 and my a is 2, then I will get f prime of c to be f of 6 minus f of 2 divided by 6 minus 2. But f of 6 is 0 and f of 2 is 0. So we get f prime of c to be equal to 0. So it means any c in this interval is going to satisfy this equation. So if I take c to be 5 is in this interval, therefore f prime of 5 is equal to 0. From there we come and refit our f prime of 5 as 0 here. We get g prime of 5 to be 0 minus 3 on 25, hence we get our g prime of 5 to be negative 3 divided by 25.